Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing where words must go, a single column or a whole range. Once you know the cells, make a quick backup, duplicate the sheet or copy the range so you can undo changes. Next, decide which tool fits. Find and replace for simple deletions, substitute for replacing in formulas, or rejects replace for pattern-based removal. This gets you right into action instead of delaying. The choice affects precision and repeatability as you move to the next step. You now perform the chosen removal. For find and replace, press Ctrl+H, type the word and leave replace empty, then pick current sheet or range and replace all. If you need formula-driven results, use equals substitute, A2, word, to remove exact substrings while preserving other content. For complex patterns like punctuation or word boundaries, use equals rejects replace, A2, \B pattern \B, which strips matches using regular expressions. Make sure to test on a few cells first so you understand how each approach alters. You finish by validating and locking the results. Once the removals look correct, copy the formula column and paste values to replace formulas with fixed text, then run equals trim cell to remove leftover extra spaces. If you see unintended deletions, immediately press undo or revert to your backup, then refine your pattern, add word boundaries, or switch case-sensitive options. Finally, make sure to scan for edge cases like punctuation-adjacent words, so your cleanup is accurate and repeatable across the sheet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.